What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now the quality of this video may be a little bit different. That is because we are filming on my GoPro. Now my back of the GoPro does not work, so I have to use my camera right here so I can actually see what's going on. So the LCD is burnt out, but we are gonna take the mini bike for a quick ride, and we're gonna see how the quality is on this as opposed to my phone that I've been using. So on my phone it's a little bit delayed, but I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope the quality turns out pretty good, and let's just take this thing for a quick rip around the neighborhood. We are recording. All right, let's do it. All right, we are gonna head back out right now for another cruise since the last one didn't really go good. There was a cop. I re-angled the camera as well, hopefully a little bit better, but we're gonna go for another quick little cruise. All right, let's do it. Ooh. this. I know it was just a quick little cruise, but I really don't want this thing taken from me, nor getting in trouble. I'm not about the whole street takeover stuff. But if you guys though like this type of content and it's kind of fun for you guys, make sure to leave some feedback below. And like I said, we do have taillights and we do have a headlight. Let me show you that real quick. So we do have the headlight and right there the taillight. So if you guys want to see some night cruises, let me know. I know before I was cruising on my phone. Now that we have the GoPro up and going though, I think we can definitely make some cool fun videos, especially though when we go to cruises and whatnot. I think it's gonna be pretty dope. But show some love. We're about to hit 7,000 subscribers. I don't know when you guys are gonna be watching this, to be honest. We may have already hit that, but yeah guys, show some love.